Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reading A Little Safety Spot at School, and it is illustrated and written by Danny Albert. And the reason I chose this book is that school is starting for me very soon. So for others that school is opening really soon, I wanted to read to you like how to be safe at school and have fun. Okay, let's start the book. Stop! Safety spots are here. Have you had your school safety training yet? I had safety training last year in school, but I could use a refresher. I'm just starting kindergarten. What do I need to know about school safety? It is important that we are safe when we learn, play, and have fun. So the other safety spots and I are here to show you how you can be safe at school. Look! The safety spots are already spotting safe situations. Great job using a helmet when riding a bike. That protects your brain if you fall. Nice hand holding when crossing the street. When crossing the street, it's important to always look for cars and cyclists. You can do this by looking left, looking right, and then looking left again. Adults can see things that you may not. That's why it's important to hold hands before entering the street. Look left, look right, look left again. At school, there may be a crossing guard. Make sure you pay attention and only walk when you were told it's safe. If you walk in front of the bus, make sure you can see the bus driver so they can see you. Hold the handrails when stepping on and off the bus so you don't fall. There are a lot of ways to be safe inside of a school bus. Keep your hands and feet inside the bus. Use inside voices. No eating food. Keep your backpack zipped so nothing falls out. Stay seated and keep your hands and feet to yourself. Now that we've talked about safety outside of school, now it's time to go inside of the school to see all the ways you can be safe. When you're inside the school, always use walking feet. Use the handrail when walking up or down stairs. Be on the lookout for safety signs to prevent injury. If an accident happens, tell a teacher right away. Stay with your class so you don't get lost. Lunchtime is full of safety spots. Throwing away your trash is a great way to be respectful, responsible, and safe. If you see this sign, make sure to keep peanuts away. This protects people with food allergies. Peanut-free zone. Please do not bring any peanuts or products containing peanuts into this area. When drinking water from the fountain, don't put your mouth on the spot. There are a lot of germs at school and we want to stay healthy, so it's important to cover your mouth when you cough. Cough or sneeze into your sleeve or a tissue to avoid spreading germs. Don't forget to throw away your tissue after. It's important to wash your hands after using the bathroom and before you eat to avoid getting sick. Make sure you use soap. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Sing happy birthday twice. On the playground, you will see a lot of safety spots. Be kind to nature by not pulling on leaves, grass, flowers, and bark. Take turns, and play together as a team. If someone gets hurt, tell the teacher right away. Stay hydrated, especially in the summer months when it's hot. Walk and play away from the swings so you don't get hurt. Sticks, sand, and rocks should stay on the ground. Look where you are going when running. Only one person on the slide at a time. Make sure to go feet first. Only climb on equipment meant for climbing. If you're feeling pressured to do something you don't want to do, or you think is wrong, you have the courage to say no. If you see someone being treated unkindly, ask them if they need help. If they do, get the teacher. Sometimes there are situations that are dangerous and we need to practice being safe. These are called drills. It's very important that we listen to the teacher because they want to keep us safe. Eyes watching, ears listening, mouth quiet, hands calm. For fire, stop what you're doing and get in line. Walk to our safe spot. You might see a firefighter. They're here to keep us safe. And for an intruder, stop what you're doing Walk toward a safe spot. The teacher will shut off the lights. Sit together quietly. You might see the police. They are here to keep us safe. Earthquake. Stop what you're doing. Crawl under a table or desk. Crouch down to hold the table legs. During the drill, stay calm and listen to your teacher. If you feel scared or worried during the drill, remember your teacher is there to keep you safe. After the drill is over, wait for your teacher's instruction to go back to be what you were doing. Be proud of yourself for saying safe and practicing drills. For a tornado, stop what you're doing, get in line, crouch into a ball, and cover your head. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this book. I hope you learned something about safety at school, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!